Hey my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sush and today I want to share something personal. Lately I've been noticing some changes in my skin. Dryness, redness and a little irritation, and these are all signs that my skin barrier might be compromised. So what exactly is a skin barrier and how does it get damaged? Let's break it down. Our skin barrier is like a shield. It protects us from environmental hazards like pollution, weather change, UV exposure and locks in moisture. However, if you're not sleeping well and enough, if your body is not getting the right kind of nutrition, then there's stress. It can be stress from work, relationships, or any other sources, and dehydration. These all can weaken the skin barrier, and when it happens, we all face various skin issues. But these are not your issues. Think about these. Do you cleanse too often? Do you overuse skincare actives or say using products with strong fragrances? If the answer is yes, then you must keep watching. Now that we know the problem, let's talk about how to heal a damaged skin barrier. It's important to choose products that help replenish and strengthen the skin. So I got the L'Oréal Paris HA Barrier Boosting Duo, new Hyaluronic Acid Cream and Serum. These two combined are dynamic duo that boosts your skin's barrier function. While the serum works from the inside, the cream repairs the surface of the skin. I will show you the application process and talk about how they helped restore the health of my skin barrier. This serum is an absolute game changer, guys. It has hyaluronic acid. It is not a new ingredient. We all know how magical this ingredient is. It replumps the skin in just 1 hour and brings back a revitalized look. And this new hyaluronic acid cream is like a protective shield for your skin. This cream is packed with ceramides. This restores lipids and strengthens the skin barrier. Both the products have been validated by dermatologists. That's why I have made it a part of my skincare regime. I can't stress enough how these products have changed my skincare game. Strength comes from within, just like our skin barrier. I've been on a healing journey, something I swear by. The confidence they've given me is priceless. So ladies, if you're experiencing skin barrier issues like I was, it's time to make a change. Invest in the L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum and Cream. They're your skin's new best friends. You can say goodbye to dryness and irritation. Try it out and you'll see what I mean. Check the descriptions for the link and let me know in the comment how these two products worked for you. Trust me, it's worth every penny. That's it for today. Hope you liked the detailed review. If you liked the review today, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, go forth and dazzle.